How to change Gmail password and log out of other devices. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now you can use any of the Google services that you want. Here I'm going to Google Play Store and then tap on your profile, then tap on manage your Google account. After that, it will lead you to the Google account view. Then just swipe it and tap on security and just scroll down. And you can see the option of password. Tap on password. And after tapping on password, you just have to enter your password over here. Tap on next. Now, if you want to change the password, you just have to mention your new password and confirm the new password over here. And then tap on change password and your password will be changed. Now, to log out of other devices, what you can do is just go back and scroll down. And you can see the option of your devices. And over here, you can see the option of manage all devices. So just tap on manage all devices. And here you can see different applications or different devices that you have been logged in. So if you want to log out, all you have to do is just tap on the device and then you can see the option of sign out over here. So just tap on sign out and you'll be logged out of these devices. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.